Welcome to Positive Atheism English channel. Today I shall continue from the last episode in which I am reading out the article on Humanist Action for 21st Century written by Dr. G. Vijayam, an atheist and a writer. In this nuclear age, the very survival of the human race may be at stake. In order to tackle the nuclear threat, social outlook among scientists and policymakers and politicians need to be inculcated. This will grow only with the rise of the popular pressure from below. Humanists will play their due role in this regard by making a common cause with all like-minded people. The nuclear holocaust is a threat to the whole humanity. Continuous and constant vigilance is the need of the hour to save humanity from the impending nuclear disasters. Poverty amidst plenty is a threat to all. The scientific advancements and the transport and communications make it possible to provide minimum needs to all. It is high time to transcend the narrow boundaries of nations and think in terms of one humanity. Humanists strive to create an atmosphere to think in terms of universalism and social justice. The United Nations must pave way for the United Peoples Organization. The national boundaries may exist for some more time, but the people should think beyond the boundaries to help the helpless. The European Common Market and Euro currency indicate the direction of the wind in favor of international solutions to the problems. In the coming years, the humanists all over the world should focus their attention on the problems of the people. Birth or residence in a particular geographical location is only an accident. Humanists who not be satisfied with mere globalization, they strive for the universalization and strengthening of bonds between the one humanity and its welfare. The problems of ecology and environment cannot be tackled within the narrow boundaries of nations. The global warming, pollution of rivers and oceans, disasters due to environmental decay and destruction need constructive thinking and concerted effort at the international level. Human greed and unconcern for the future generations, consumerism, unbridled urbanization and industrialization, population explosion, and many other factors are leading to environmental degradation. But with the involvement of all the people at different levels and harping an alternative way of life which is eco-friendly would bring a sea change in the whole situation. Leadership, example, commitment, foresight, readiness to sacrifice would bring positive results in the environmental protection. Humanists would play their due role in the protection and preservation of environment. Ecology and environment protection is a compound and complex problem with geographical variations of each region. The issue will be common, but approaches vary as per the exigence of the situation and location. The efforts for globalization should not give the multinationals and the transnationals a license for unlimited and unbridled exploitation of the developing countries. Globalization doesn't mean opening up floodgates to exploit and rob others of their natural resources without any corresponding obligations. Globalization must lead simultaneously to universal outlook and a guarantee against exploitation. Humanism and universalism are inseparable, and humanists will make a common cause with all progressive minded people in the struggle against exploitation. Humanism, atheism, rationalism, free thought, and secularism should not go parallel to religion, but they must be alternatives to religion. Hence, they concentrate building bridges of friendship with all like minded progressive people to develop an alternative non religious way of life. In the West, it may be called a life stance. Whatever may be the name, the effort will be to build a viable alternative to religion in which there will be no place for the idea of God, superstitions, blind beliefs such as rebirth or reincarnation. Humans are makers of their systems. They have full freedom as well as responsibility. No imaginary supernatural power or God guide their destinies. In building alternatives, education plays a significant role. The time has come for the humanists to concentrate on building alternate educational institutions with a secular and humanist moorings. It is not enough if religion and politics are separated. Education and religion must be separated. Religion and culture should be separated. In the coming century, the main effort would be to develop educational institutions and academies which would strive to inculcate new value system which is free from religion. Education requires new literature, new institutions, mobilization of resources, and attracting talented into the fold of the movement to divide the time, energies with vision openness, and commitment to humanist ideals. Humanism is free from bigotry and is based on science and scientific outlook. Inculcation of scientific temper and social outlook would be goal of humanists. In the dynamic new world, if these progressive minded people fail to move fast in building the alternatives, the religious people would do their best to enslave the human mind with the help of new media and tools of science. Science will be used by them to perpetuate ignorance, blind beliefs, and cults with multiply. Superstition will emerge as a new fashion. Hence, it is the responsibility of all progressive minded people to build alternatives based on humanism and secularism. Unity in diversity should be the goal. Let 100 flowers bloom. The garden of reason is rich in variety and fragrance. Compassion, commitment, concern for fellow humans, and social commitment would further increase their freshness. Literature, fine art, and all types of expression should reflect the humanist ideals. Variety is the spice of life. They should express humanist ideals and concerns. Centuries of the reign of religion subjugated the human mind. It is necessary to release the immense human potentialities for free expression, looking at the beauty of life. And from here, we shall continue in the next episode again. Thank you.
For more videos, please subscribe to this channel Positive Atheism and activate the bell icon.